देखिए, एक और बड़ी खबर से अपने दर्शकों को हम रूबरू करा देते हैं कि पश्चिम बंगाल के टीटागढ़ में बीजेपी नेता मनीष शुक्ला की हत्या के मामले में पुलिस ने अब एक शख्स को गिरफ्तार कर लिया है। इस पूरे ही मामले की ये बड़ी खबर है। बीजेपी नेता मनीष शुक्ला, जिनकी यहां पर हत्या कर दी गई थी, अब एक दिन, उनकी हत्या के एक दिन बाद पुलिस ने एक शख्स को यहां पर गिरफ्तार किया है। और हम आपको बता दें कि रविवार को बीजेपी के काउंसलर, बीजेपी नेता मनीष शुक्ला की हत्या यहां पर कर दी गई थी और टीटागढ़ में उनकी हत्या यहां पर की गई थी, जहां अब एक शख्स को गिरफ्तार किया गया है। तो मनीष शुक्ला की हत्या यहां पुलिस स्टेशन के सामने गोली मारकर करने के बाद तनाव जो है वो और बढ़ गया था। मृतक बीजेपी नेता के परिजनों ने सोमवार देर रात राज्यपाल जगदीप धनखड़ से मुलाकात भी की। आपको ये भी बता दें कि बीजेपी नेता मनीष शुक्ला की मौत के बाद बीजेपी और टीएमसी के बीच सियासी युद्ध जो है वो छिड़ गया और बीजेपी इस हत्या का आरोप तृणमूल कांग्रेस पर लगा रही है। वहीं दूसरी तरफ बंगाल के गवर्नर का कहना है कि राज्य में कानून व्यवस्था बिगड़ चुकी है। तमल मेरे साथ ज्यादा अपडेट के लिए जुड़ गए हैं। तमल, एक तरफ गवर्नर कह रहे हैं कि कानून व्यवस्था बिगड़ चुकी है, हालांकि जिस शख्स को पुलिस ने गिरफ्तार किया है, द गाय हु हैज बीन अरेस्टेड बाय द पुलिस इन दिस मैटर, हु इज ही, व्हाट इज पुलिस सेइंग?
Well, at this point in time, it has not been shown arrested as yet. So we'll try and be, technically correct with that. The person who has been picked up is known to be a known person to Manish Shukla. In fact, the person who has been is being interrogated. He has a history of acrimony between Manish Shukla, and it's a family acrimony, more like that. In fact, the father of the person who is now being questioned also had a tragic death back in 2010. Now, it was a murder, and the case never saw closure. So there is a fear that maybe out of suspicion, maybe out of vengeance, this incident could have happened. But there is no confirmation as yet. Police have not confirmed the arrest of anybody in connection with the case. What we can confirm that not one but more than one people are being questioned, are being interrogated by the Bengal CID, who have taken up the matter. After having gone through the CCTV footage and eyewitnesses account, they have laid their hands on some crucial evidence and crucial leads which they think can help them proceed towards a major breakthrough. But at this point in time, CID has not confirmed any arrest. However, they are nearing a breakthrough in this case. We also have to understand, yesterday, after the death, after the body was handed over to BJP leaders, in fact, BJP leaders wanted to take the body to the governor's house, to Raj Bhavan, and in a way submit a deputation after that, symbolically, to make it more stronger of a scene for people and also for the governor. However, that was not allowed, but this truce that was eventually brokered, which allowed BJP leaders to go ahead and submit a deputation alone, not more than 4 in number, in respect of Section 144, only happened after there was a massive showdown between police and BJP workers, and there was a huge possibility of an untoward incident. So for Bengal CID and for police, at this point in time, they would only announce the arrest after they have confirmed evidence in hand, so that tomorrow BJP do not turn back and call and question the merit of the investigation. Minded, BJP has already accused Trinamool Congress behind the killing of Manish Shukla. On the other hand, Trinamool Congress is suspecting a conspiracy, suggesting that Manish Shukla was sending fillers to Trinamool Congress, one who belonged to Trinamool Congress in the past, one who had been with Trinamool Congress in 2019 Lok Sabha election and had left TMC after the election, was planning to come back to TMC, and that's what the Trinamool Congress is alleging, possibly giving a message that BJP had eliminated Manish Shukla to give a stronger message to turncoat TMC leaders and others not to leave BJP, not to come back to TMC.
ठीक है, शुक्रिया तमल इस तमाम अपडेट को हम तक पहुंचाने के लिए। हालांकि तमल ने यहाँ पर साफ कर दिया कि अभी तक किसी को गिरफ्तार नहीं किया गया है, लेकिन बहुत ही जल्द सीआईडी और साथ ही साथ बंगाल पुलिस जो है, जो इस मामले की तहकीकात में जुटी हुई है, वो किसी ब्रेक थ्रू पर यहाँ पर पहुंच सकती है। और फिलहाल एक छोटा सा